Hi folks, just done this for Patreon. It's an oil tutorial, working out simple ways to, as a beginner, to construct a painting by using masses rather than trying to do lots of detail and then finding you can't do it. Much easier to do your masses. Keep very simple. Snow scene. The snow has a lot of colour in it. It reflects what's in the sky and the local colour. And so I've put quite a bit of blue and red, cadmium yellow, the burnt sienna. I've used 4 colours for this, and white, of course. I hope you like looking at it. It is a tutorial. I will be doing some more for YouTube very soon. So, okay, enjoy your day. Happy painting. Bye bye.